Jamie Foxx is being sued for sexual assault that allegedly happened 8 years ago in New York City. The woman claims he pulled her by the arm to the back area of the rooftop, where he allegedly placed both hands on her waist, moved them under her top, and rubbed her breasts. She also claims he allegedly slid his hand into her pants and put his fingers on and in her vagina and anus. She says her friend came over and saw what was happening, and then he stopped touching her. She claims she was inured and had to undergo medical treatment and suffered pain, suffering, and emotional distress. So, Jamie Foxx is being accused of a rooftop sexual assault that allegedly happened 8 years ago at Catch in New York City. Since we talking about sexual assault, let's talk about why they haven't released that Epstein client list for sexual trafficking and abusing all them people, mostly underage girls. And who all on the list. It's over 1,000 names on there. Majority of billionaires, politicians, and Hollywood people. There gotta be an agenda to destroy the legacy of every black man in entertainment. The fact he was able to do all that without you screaming when your friends are near is wild. Y'all not getting tired of this yet? Or is it just me? It's crazy you could wake up one day and have sexual assault charges pressed against you. Randomly out of nowhere. This can't continue, bruh. Can a man come out and say a woman harassed him years later and it be believable? I be thinking this cap, cause why not file charges? Why you wanna sue? I mean, maybe I'm missing something, but you should want him in jail, right? Not a monetary gain, but this ain't my fight. But did she tell him no or to stop? If not, case dismissed. And why she ain't yell at her friend right there? And where the medical report? Okay, that's enough already. But for those women like this looking for a check, and when something really happens to someone, nobody is going to believe them. I blame Diddy. He shouldn't have settled that fast.